Shiloh's slow and steady brain break. Hi friends, this is Shiloh, the steady sloth who believes moving slowly can be your superpower. Today, we're taking a short break through the rainforest to stretch and feel great. You can follow along with us. Ready to move with Shiloh? Swaying sloth warm-up. Sit comfortably with your buddy in your lap. Take a slow breath in and start with a tiny hip wiggle. Breathe out as you sway side to side, nice and slow. Let the wiggle grow a little bigger. Now let the sway travel up through your chest and breathe in as your arms start to lift up from your buddy. Let your arms wave like tall trees in a forest, breathing out as you sway your arms side to side. Take one more big sway on each side and come back to stillness. Hanging sloth. Make your way to standing. Place your buddy on the ground and stand with your feet wide. Take a slow breath in and breathe out as you fold forward with a long, neutral spine. Pick up your sloth and let your arms hang down. Now, inhale as you sway your sloth up toward one side and exhale, lower back down through the middle, then sway it up toward the other side. Try to go super slow as you go left and right. Keep breathing gently, one more reach, and come back to center. Sleepy sloth twist. Start by lying on your back with your buddy held gently between your knees. Stretch your arms out wide. Take a slow breath in and breathe out as your knees fall to one side, keeping your back flat on the ground. Breathe in as you draw your knees back to center, and breathe out as you let them fall to the other side. One more time each way. Shiloh loved taking it easy with you today. Give one last gentle hug and say,
I am steady. I am strong.
Thanks for hanging with us. We'll see you next time.
Bubble Plug!